Hello, welcome to the point of view stories for the Big Picture. Let's get started. Same story about that amazing dog, Athena. Well, since she was a puppy, Athena has wanted to be the most famous dog in the world. It started when she was a puppy. Now, of course, a puppy is a baby dog. We don't say baby dog, we say puppy. So since she was a baby, since she was a puppy, Athena has wanted to be the most famous dog in the world. She wanted that. When she was young, she would think about it. In fact, she has been memorizing songs since she was a puppy. She has been memorizing songs since she was a puppy. She started when she was a puppy. She has been memorizing songs since she was a puppy. Now, she knows 92,000 songs, but she has been memorizing songs one by one since she was a puppy. She has been practicing the piano since she was a puppy. It took time, right? She had to practice a long time. So she has been practicing the piano. She started when she was a puppy. She continued until now. She still practices the piano every day. So she has been practicing the piano since she was a puppy. And she has been practicing the guitar since she was a little older, but still a long time. So she has been practicing the piano since she was a puppy. She has been practicing the guitar for a long time. For many years. Starting many years ago, continuing until recently. She has been practicing fighting for a long time. For many years, she has been training and practicing. It didn't happen suddenly, one day. No. She has been practicing boxing for a long time, for many years. She has been going to the boxing gym. She has been practicing. And then finally, of course, she started to beat other fighters. And finally, she beat 6,022 boxers, 6,022 fighters. She beat them all. And finally, she has been learning languages only a couple years, actually. 2 years ago, she started. So since 2 years ago, she has been learning languages. In that time, she has learned 55. In only 2 years, she has learned 55 languages. Wow. Amazing doggy. Finally, just last year, she became the president of the United Nations. And 1 month later, she ended all wars on Earth. Everyone was happy. Everyone loved Athena the dog. Athena became the most famous dog in the world. Okay, that is the end of our first point of view story. That one didn't change until almost to the end. Interesting. You don't need to know why consciously. Just listen carefully. Notice. That's all you need to do. Relax and notice. Our next one, into the future. I'm going to imagine this special doggy. This is going to happen in the future. It hasn't happened yet. This will happen in the future. Maybe in 100 years. When dogs can all talk. Because in 100 years, dogs will all be able to talk, of course. Well, let's start. In 100 years, 100 years from now, there will be a special dog. Her name will be Athena. Athena will be the most famous dog in the world. Why? Well, because first, she's going to memorize 92,000 songs. And she's going to play them all on the piano perfectly. That's not all. She'll also learn the guitar too. She'll integrate the guitar with the piano. She's going to integrate the guitar with the piano and play them both at the same time. All 92,000 songs perfectly. That's not all. She'll also become a contestant in boxing matches. Not a normal contestant. She's gonna kick ass. To kick ass means to do a great job. It means to beat other people or to win or to just do a fantastic job. So Athena is going to become an amazing contestant in boxing matches. She will win 6,022 boxing matches. She's going to win all of them. But there's more. She's also going to learn 55 languages perfectly. She'll become a noted linguist. Who will become a noted linguist? Athena. Athena will become a noted linguist. Now, did you hear that? Athena-ul. Sometimes it's really hard to hear sometimes. I'll say it again. Athena-ul become a noted linguist. She will become a noted linguist, a famous linguist. But that's not all. Finally, she's going to become the president of the United Nations. She'll become the president of the UN. And she will end all wars on earth. Everyone will be happy. Everyone will love Athena. And of course, she will be the most famous dog in the world. And that is the end of the point of view stories for The Big Picture. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.